Okay, day 2 working on putting the decking on the porch. Well, I guess the whole house really, because I'm not stopping with the porch, but had some things I had to do this morning. Went and looked at some land with some friends of mine. They're looking for land up here in the hills, so we went and looked at that this morning, looked at the property and checked all that out, and then I came back and I dug a hole for the pigs. Pigs were wanting a place to play, so now they have a place to play. They are happy little pigs. So I got the hole dug, gave them some water, made it nice and muddy. Now I'm out here getting started on the house. I've cut the rafter tails off, got them even, and I've got my first two boards across there. So now I can just cut everything to length and take off and go uphill with it. This side is a little shorter, still an odd length, so I can't stagger my joints. But I mean, I could stagger them, but I'd have a whole lot of waste, and this stuff's kind of expensive to waste. So I'm just going to keep running uphill with it. It shouldn't take just a couple hours, and I'll be finished with this part. And then I'll get ready to start going up with the decking on the house itself. So little by little, we're getting closer to getting it dried in. that's got this part done. So I've got this one done, that one over there is done. I know people are wondering why I'm not doing anything in the middle, and there's a good reason for that. All this decking that's about to go on the roof of the house is visible from inside the house. All this is going to get sanded, stained, and all that, and you'll be able to see all this from below. So I need to get all the decking down, then I can come back and put up my ridge beam, tie it into this part of the roof, then the rafters will go in here, then all this will get decked, and the roof will actually overhang these two little shed porches on both sides. So that's why there's a big space in the middle, and it looks kind of weird right now, but it'll make sense when it's finished, whenever that happens to be. But there we are, one step closer.